The American Kennel Club describes Rottweilers as a robust working breed of great strength, a gentle playmate and protector within the family circle. Rottweilers are known for being calm, confident, and courageous, which makes them well-suited companions, guardians, or all-purpose dogs.
This is Jordan. This strong boy was born in 2020, and he's 110 pounds.
Jordan is a happy and kind papa who spends his time playing catch and soaking in the sun. He's a great example of an AKC-registered Rottweiler. Expect Jordan's puppies to be just as social as he is.